Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to fix this error. When we click on start MySQL, it gives error that MySQL shut down unexpectedly. To fix this, first go to Task Messenger. You can go to by pressing Alt Control Delete and select Task Manager. Now in the process, search for MySQL ID. Okay, now click on MySQL ID and click End Task. Okay, and then click Start again. Okay, now the second step you can do is click this one and do End Task. Now again click on Start and you will see it starts running and it is not giving us any error now. So in this way you can fix this MySQL error. Thank you very much.